Hello, and welcome to second grade for the 2019-2020 school year. Second grade is an exciting year filled with growth in the foundational academic skills of reading, math, and writing. Our goal is that each student would make a year's worth of growth and be prepared for third grade. To help students grow academically and to measure your child's growth, your child will take AIMSWeb assessments in the fall, winter, and spring. These assessments will be taken virtually in your homes, but through Class Connect sessions. Your second grade student will complete 3 short assessments with an OHVA teacher, one-on-one over Class Connect. Your student will complete a reading fluency, a reading comprehension, and a math skills assessment. Your second grade student will also take a TestNav reading and TestNav math assessment on their school computer while in a Class Connect session. These sessions will be scheduled the week of August 19th. We will offer your student 4 reading time slots and 4 math time slots. You will need to choose 1 time slot for reading and 1 time slot for math. All 8 of these sessions will appear on your child's Class Connect schedule, but you just need to pick 1 reading and 1 math to have your student attend the week of August 19th. Your teacher will also send you directions to download TestNav to your school computer. Please follow those directions to download the TestNav program. You will click this blue link at the top of the directions. Once you have clicked the blue link, it will bring you to a web page that shows you the TestNav downloads. You would download the Windows EXE program onto your computer. Once the program finishes downloading, you now have TestNav on your computer. Your teacher will send you the directions for your child to log in to TestNav. It is important that your student has a working webcam and microphone the day of the assessment. Please contact tech support as soon as possible if either or both need to be fixed. On the assessment day, there are some do's and don'ts. Do log your child into their session through their OLS at the scheduled time. Remember, there are 4 reading and 4 math sessions to choose from the week of August 19th. Do assist with checking their microphone and their webcam. Do keep the microphone and webcam on the entire time. Once it's time for the assessment, they will be placed into their own breakout room, so no other student will be able to see or hear them during that time. Don't sit with your child and help. Do allow your child to show what they know all on their own, and do contact your teacher if you get logged out. Now remember, we don't expect your child to know everything on this test, so please allow them the chance to show what they know. Some reminders for this week is to download TestNav to your computer. Ensure that you have a working microphone and a webcam, and if they're not working, please call K-12. Their number is 866-512-2273. And we look forward to working with you and your child this year and watching them grow.